Well, finally.
The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to.
About time.
For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings.
So they did.
This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Rest of today. Sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. For tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. For Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Friday, not as warm.
Alright, so that's about time they deleted it. So yeah, that was like 11:41. So I was gonna call them up saying why did they not test, but they did. So finally got that to go off just because it doesn't squeal. Finally. Alright, bye.